What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Let's make some jerk shrimp rasta pasta without the heavy cream. Let's get started. So here I have my shrimp already seasoned. I'll show you how I do that in a bit. I have my pasta over here. I'll be using penne. I have some coconut milk. I have onion, green bell pepper, orange bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, and red bell peppers, but feel free to use any bell pepper you have. I have some garlic and thyme, some seafood seasoning, and I have some nutritional yeast. I'll tell you more about this nutritional yeast as we go along. This is going to be my cheese replacement. So I'm going to go ahead and season my shrimp. Here I have some seafood seasoning, Old Bay, and I'm going to add that to my shrimp and my jerk seasoning. I will leave a link on how to make the jerk seasoning down below, and feel free to season your shrimp to your liking. I'm going to give this a good toss and set this aside to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and cook my pasta. So to boiling water, I'm going to add some salt. You want to make sure you salt the water real well. And I'm going to cook my pasta according to package instruction or until I achieve the desired doneness. So to a pan, I'm going to add some butter and I'm going to allow the butter to melt. Now in with my shrimp, and I'm going to cook these for about 3 minutes on each sides just to get some color and allow the shrimp to cook all the way through and not being overcooked. So you want to keep an eye on these, and after about 2.5 minutes I'll be going in and flip these over and just allow them to cook until they're thoroughly cooked. Now that these are done, I'm just going to go ahead, remove them from the pan and continue on with the next step. Now into that same pan, I'm just going to go ahead, add my garlic and my thyme, and I'm just going to stir this around a bit just to infuse, and then I'm going to go in and add my vegetables and my onion, and I'm going to saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes just until they loosen up a bit. We want them to still have a little bit of crunch, but we don't want them overcooked. So you just want to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to go in and add my coconut milk. I'm using a cream of coconut here. At this point you could add your every cream, but guys, truthfully, I'm lactose and I do like Rasta pasta, so sometimes I like to enjoy it without the dairy. I add the rest of my seasoning to it, and to give me that cheesy taste, I'm going to go in with my nutritional yeast. Now this is a vegan stuff. I'm not vegan, but I don't digest dairy well, so this is my cheese substitute, and yeah, it's really tasty. And the sauce, that's just about it. And I'm going to allow this to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce gets nice and thick. I went ahead and cut up some of my shrimp into small pieces to add it to the sauce, and I left some whole, so I'm just gonna mix my shrimp in just to flavor the sauce a little bit more with a shrimp flavor. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my pasta. So here you have your pasta to how you like it. You don't have to use a lot. You just make this according to your desired lightness. And I'm just going to go ahead and coat my pasta in that delicious sauce. And let me tell you guys, this was tasting amazing. If you haven't yet subscribed or follow, hit that like button, comment down below, let me know what you think about this recipe, and give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and you would help out my channel a lot. Now here I am showing you my finished product. I drizzle on some more of that delicious coconut sauce, and there you have it, jerk shrimp rasta pasta non-dairy edition. And let me tell you guys, this one was a hit. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the recipe, and if you try this recipe, come back and let me know what you think about the recipe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye bye.